Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are new, welcome. As you know, I love thrifting and finding high-end dupes in stores, and in today's video I am looking forward to sharing with you how I decorated our living room space. We all don't have these grand living room spaces that are aesthetically pleasing, and I just really wanted to share with you how I decorated our smaller living room space. We do not have a Christmas tree in this room. That's in another slightly larger living room that we have in this home, and I will be sharing that video with you next week. I'm currently working on it and I love how it's turning out. This room is a long and narrow space, and we have items on either side of the room, so I'm definitely looking forward to sharing with you how I decorated this space and how we use this space, especially for the holiday season. All right, let's get started. This is what we are working with. This room actually used to be our dining room, but we decided to turn it into our cozy and relaxing living room since we didn't need a formal dining room for now. We installed this bookshelf when we moved in, and that's where I'm going to begin decorating. I purchased these beautiful village houses from HomeSense. When I saw them, my jaw literally dropped and I grabbed all of the 3 styles that they had. The 2 on the right were $14.99 and the larger one was only $16.99. I had these bottle brushes on hand and purchased all of them from the dollar store. I ordered these mini street lamps from Michael's that haven't arrived yet, but I will be adding them to complete this look when they get here. On the second shelf, I'm going to add this beautiful rattan sleigh that I thrifted recently. I am embellishing it with some stems from the dollar store and pine cones that I had from last year. I plucked the leaves off and thought it would look nice to scatter them inside. I purchased this Noel sign from HomeGoods, and this is a luminar candle that I'll be using throughout the bookshelf. I absolutely love luminar candles. I'm adding this red velvet ribbon to tie things in more since the color scheme I'm going with this year includes various shades of red. I made a bow and am attaching it with floral wire. This is a nativity scene that I purchased last year from Target. I love that it's a neutral color, which allows me to style it every year no matter my color scheme. If it's still available in stores, I'll leave the link for you below. I thrifted this really cool Charles Dickens book years ago, and I love bringing it out during Christmas. It's an unabridged version and it has his classics. What's cool about this book is it landed here all the way from Germany. On the inside of the cover, it has the previous owner's name and address, which I think is pretty cool. On top of this book, I am placing this cloche that I filled with pine cones. The burgundy color of this book is perfect for this time of year. This is one of my husband's favorite books, so I wanted to incorporate it somehow. I love this pot from Olive Atelier. I'm placing these beautiful cedar stems on the inside that I picked up from Target this year. I decided to switch out this luminar candle for these. I purchased them a few years ago. This adorable deer is from Hobby Lobby. I decided to replace this bow with this red velvet ribbon. I love how this is coming out so far. Miracle on 34th Street is one of my favorite childhood Christmas movies, so I love pulling this book out every single year. And here's the Nutcracker. I purchased this ornament and wood piece from the dollar store. I stained the wood and attached them with hot glue so that it wouldn't topple over. I recently took a trip to the thrift store and found these festive snowman hats. I decided to purchase one and thought it would look perfect in this spot. Our daughter loves this bear. She takes it off of the shelf and adds it to her collection of stuffed animals whenever she's in here. It's really cute. On this last shelf, I'm decorating with another thrifted book. This Michelangelo book is amazing. I love flipping through it from time to time. I'm placing these picks in this dough bowl to add a Christmas flair. Next to our bookshelf is a large old school radiator. We found this radiator cover on Facebook Marketplace and love how it fits perfectly in this room. I'm adding this vase, and these picks are the longer version of what I added in the pot on the bookshelf. And again, I'm adding these berries for a pop of red that I think adds a beautiful festive touch. I love this countdown to Christmas mailbox. On the day that I filmed, there were 37 days left until Christmas, which is crazy. Christmas is right around the corner and I'm so excited. Next, I am moving on to our TV console. I'm adding this beautiful Real Touch Norfolk pine garland that I purchased on Amazon. I'll leave the link for this in the description below. On this side, I'm adding this vase and placing a mini Christmas tree on the inside. I love this vintage snowman. It's so charming. I am obsessed with brass candle holders, so of course I decided to place them here. These wax LED candles are amazing. I purchased them from HomeGoods. The rich tone of burgundy on this angel is absolutely stunning. I actually purchased it from Aldi, so if you're interested and have an Aldi's near you, definitely check them out for this item. I came back to the tree and decided to add some lights. Next, we are going to jazz up this wall above the couch. I was contemplating whether or not I should purchase a print for this, but since it's large and I did not want to splurge on a painting that would only be up for a month, I decided to use some ribbon that I already had to make this painting look more festive. Here, I'm wrapping the ribbon around the painting and I'm securing it by stapling the ribbon together. My goal is to wrap this so that it looks like a Christmas present. I'm doing the same vertically and adjusted it so that it's in the spot that I want it to be in. I'm pulling the ribbon as tight as possible so that it's not floppy when I flip it over. Again, I'm securing this with staples so that I don't damage the frame or the painting. Once that was done, I unraveled more ribbon to create a big bow. I folded the ribbon in half and then began folding it accordion style, which means I'm alternating the folds as you can see here. I do want the bows to be the same length, so I'm making sure that all of the folds are the same size. When I got the number that I wanted, I secured the bow with floral wire and began fluffing. Once that was done and all fluffed out, I stapled them to the ribbon that I previously attached. I love that I was able to save money by just using a painting and ribbon that I already had. Next to this painting, I'm placing this really adorable vintage snowman candle and a beautiful Christmas tree. Now finally onto the couch. I purchased this down feathered velvet pillow from Costco. It came in this color red, green, and a dark blue. It was only $11.99. I'm adding this dark green velvet pillow and snowflake pillow that I purchased a couple of years ago. This blanket is another item that I already had, and it's so Christmassy. On the other side of the couch, I'm adding the same pillows, plus this embroidered Christmas tree pillow that I picked up from Burlington. Next is this corner underneath the mirror wall. I purchased this 4-foot Alpine tree from Target last year. I live in New York City, and a small tree like this is perfect for small spaces. I'll leave the link in the description below. This tree is pre-lit, which is nice, so I'm just attaching everything together. I want to keep this tree more neutral, so I'm adding tan and brown colored ornaments to the tree. I love these ornaments. I made them last year for our entire family and our dog. I purchased these 2 small wood discs from Dollar Tree and engraved all of them with our names using a wood burning tool that my husband has. I wrapped the base with another blanket and added this adorable snowman to the bottom. Above the tree, I'm hanging this brass sconce. I added this stunning embroidered pillow that I picked up from HomeGoods this year, and to finalize everything, I'm hanging this vintage snowman wreath on the door that leads into our dining room. And this is how it all turned out. This room is so calming yet festive. I love the pops of red and how I was able to achieve this look with items that were inexpensive and budget friendly. I am still on the hunt for the perfect curtains for this room. I'm going to spend time after the holidays though to select ones that I like. So keep your suggestions coming, they are super helpful. And this is the room about an hour later. We have a toddler, and this is what the room looks like most of the time. This is actually pretty clean. She loves jumping on the pillows and has a lot of fun in this room. I just wanted to share this with you because it looks so organized when I was done, and then she woke up from her nap and it was back to reality, which is totally okay. I hope you enjoyed today's Christmas decorating video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Next week, I will be sharing with you how I decorated our formal living room. In this room, we put our stunning Christmas tree. I'm putting the final touches on everything and it's turning out so beautifully. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I look forward to sharing more inspiration with you, especially for the upcoming holiday season. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.